A compact and at the same time robust smartphone with a huge battery has never existed before up to today. Now we have a brand new model here. This is the new Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro with the huge 8150 mAh battery and the compact dimensions here on this video review. As you're already used to, the Power Armor X11 Pro also comes in a traditional Armor series box with its signature yellow color and a print of metal elements that represent toughness. Now let's see what's inside the box. As you can see, it's our Power Armor X11 Pro. Let's put it aside. Up there is a pin for a SIM slot. We still can find additional screen protector here, which is actually a tempered glass, even though Ulefone has already installed a screen protector and it's already on the mobile phone out of the box. Also here is a paperwork, user manual, warranty card. Everything is very detailed, and as you can see, everything is printed in a color and it looks very nice. You can see that they put a lot of effort into this. Furthermore, Ulefone also provides us with a very good quality strap for easier carrying of the phone. We have this black USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. This is a 3.5mm headphone extension cable. And finally there is a 10 watts charger. Well, that was the contents of this package, but that's not all. Along with our Power Armor X11 Pro, we also got this multifunctional case, compatible only with Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro. With anti-shock absorbent TPU corners and a rigid plastic body, the protective case provides additional protection from drops, scratches and shocks. Precise cutouts enable easy access to all buttons on the phone, ports and camera, and perfectly match with our Power Armor X11 Pro. It comes with 180 degrees rotatable back clip to bring a comfortable wearing angle, can be clipped to the belt for portability, or you can add a security carabiner attachment for easy access and various application occasions. This multifunctional case is sold separately from the mobile phone, and it would definitely recommend it for those of you who work at high altitudes on demanding terrains in order to keep your smartphone as long as possible. Okay, now it's time to switch to our smartphone. Measuring 158 by 760.7, thickness of 19.3 centimeters and weight 330 grams, which is much less than other robust competitors. Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro, unlike its predecessor, comes with a much changed design, but everything is solid and very well made. The case is rubberized and covered with these diagonal lines, which contributes to excellent stability and comfort in the hand. This phone will not slip out of your hand that easily, believe me. On the front of the device we have this compact 5.45 inches display. There is no notch or hole in the screen, just a good old-fashioned display with the 18:9 aspect ratio, just like before in good old times. It is IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels and a refresh rate of 16 Hz. Just the right screen size for one-handed use, texting, browsing, web content, watching videos and more. When we turn it from the back, we find a nicely designed brushed aluminum module in which there is lenses of dual cameras with really powerful LED flashlight, and at the bottom of the camera module is this nice orange logo Ulefone. As for the ports, let's see, the phone comes with USB Type-C port from the bottom, covered with a rubber cover. Next to it we find these loudspeakers and a microphone. Another great thing about this phone is for our music lovers. It is a 3.5mm audio jack that we find out on the top of the device. covered with a rubber stopper. There is on the side of the frame, which is otherwise completely rubber, we find these grey metal looking buttons, robust and pleasant to the touch. We have the power button and above is the volume button. I must mention that this time the phone comes without a fingerprint reader, which is not a problem, at least not for me, because we have a fast face unlock function. On the opposite side there is a 3 SIM card slot that provides us 2 slots for both 2 SIM cards and spare microSD space to expand another 128GB of storage. You don't need a struggle between one SIM card slot and a larger storage, which is great. Below we can see this orange programmable key button that allows customization for instant access to the push-to-talk and a frequently used tool or app, which is great. The Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro is covered by a high-quality synthetic rubber and rated with IP68, IP69K, which means it is dust-proof, scratch-resistant, shock and drop resistant, and water-resistant up to 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. In addition, it also has a MilSTD 810G certification, a military standard that ensures integrity of the device is maintained in almost any situation. As we have already said, on the front we have this compact 5.45-inch IPS LCD display. Above the screen is a 5-megapixel selfie camera with the face unlock function. The screen is bright, has sharp colors and has wide viewing angles, which is more than great for consuming visual content. In short, with the Armor X11 Pro in the mid-range category has a really good display. You will get the best value for your pay. A compact and good quality screen suitable for media consumption, wherever you go, or watching videos or browsing the web pages or typing on social media. One of the main points of the Power Armor X11 Pro is the cameras. In terms of the specifications there is nothing to worry about, but the last word remains in the actual performance. On the back you get a dual camera setup that features a 60-megapixel main sensor from Samsung. In addition to classic camera settings, there is also a mode for underwater photography, which makes the phone truly unique. This is not a photo-oriented phone, so don't expect some miracles, but you can see a significant difference with the X10 Pro predecessor photos as well as videos. Now let's see what the camera performance are and how they look. In this set of photos taken by the Power Armor X11 Pro, I think they look pretty solid, but you judge for yourself. After part with the camera, now we can talk a little about the performance. Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro offers very good performance in most of the basic and entertainment uses, such as browsing the web content, watching videos on YouTube, using social media applications, even playing some games. As everything worked efficiently and without facing any problems these days that it was in my hands. The smartphone runs on MediaTek 8-core Helio G25 processor at 2 GHz with AMG Power VR graphic at 520 MHz. In short, for multitasking, the smartphone will give you a very positive experience. I can't say that this phone is ideal for games, no it isn't, that is not the purpose, but if you want, you can play almost all undemanding gaming titles without any worries. The sound of this phone is quite loud thanks to the built-in high-quality sound system that features cinema-grade sound quality. Worth mentioning is that the device has handset-free FM radio. That's right. It's one that doesn't need wired headphones to receive radio signals, which is great. You can listen to FM radio anywhere and anytime without any antenna, which is perfect. The Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro runs on the latest stock Android 12 OS with a significantly customized user interface with UI that has better gesture navigation controls and contains most of the features that comes with the system. The most important of which is the presence of all Google services, supports for NFC and Google Pay. We also have Bluetooth 5.0, dual band with Wi-Fi and dual 4G LTE with VoLTE. So the performance of this phone is more than good as a mid-range smartphone focused on daily use, as equipped with a set of specifications and features such as compactness and design, making an interesting experience. Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro has a built-in massive 8150 mAh battery that will keep you through 5 days without problems, even when using intensively. And when you need to charge it, simply leave it to charge during the night and you will give a peace of your mind for days. The OTG function not only makes PC-less data transmission possible, but also supports being used as a power bank to refuel other devices. All in all, I can say that this battery has really beyond expectations, and the economical processor also helped. The IP68, IP69K rated and certified by MilSTD 810G Power Armor X11 Pro has the best resistance to water, dust and falls, and it's tough enough to be survived in very harsh environments. All durability tests prove the ruggedness once again. The super waterproof, dustproof and the drop-proof performance makes it a trustworthy outdoor companion. If you ask me if the Ulefone Power Armor X11 Pro is worth of buying, then my answer is definitely a big yes. I think the Power Armor X11 Pro is one of the rare compact rugged smartphones released now at almost towards to the end of the 2022 with a decent specification, stylish design and the features such as NFC. In terms of screen, cameras and amazing battery life, the Power Armor X11 Pro with its compactness and robustness, it is ideal companion for all your adventures. Outdoor workers, for all those who travel a lot and don't have anywhere to charge their mobile phone often. All in all, I can say that the Power Armor X11 Pro will definitely not disappoint you in this price range. This Pro series is undoubtedly one of the best budget smartphones that offer us a value for the price. So, the official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them, hurry up and get your new Power Armor X11 Pro today. That will be all for now, see you soon with a new video, bye.